Believe it or not, all of these mirror selfie photos were created entirely by AI. With just one product photo, I'll show you how to create aesthetic mirror selfie images and even outfit showcase videos in just 3 steps. Let's get started. First, I open Gemini and go to a custom gem I've built called Mirror Selfie Visual Creator. This gem is specifically designed to generate mirror selfie image and video prompts. It supports 8 different styles: Korean, Chinese, Vietnamese, Western minimal, streetwear, dark moody, and more. And it automatically detects the best style based on your product. I upload a product photo. The gem analyzes the product, identifies it as Korean style, and generates 2 complete prompts. The first is an image prompt, very detailed, with 7 sections covering pose, clothing, makeup, hair, background, lighting, and camera angle. The second is a video prompt, shorter, optimized for multiple AI video platforms, and already safety checked to avoid content blocks. I copy the image prompt and move to step 2. Step 2. I open Nano Banana to create the image. I paste the prompt I just copied. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, the standard ratio for vertical mirror selfies. If you have a portrait photo, you can upload it as a face reference, so AI keeps the same face. Otherwise, AI will generate the character. Hit generate and wait a few seconds. Here it is, a perfectly aesthetic mirror selfie. The pink dress is accurate, Korean-style makeup, warm bedroom background, pastel tones, all matching the prompt. I save this image and use it as the frame for step 3. Final step, creating the video. I open Flow with Veo3 and upload the mirror selfie image as the first frame. Back in the gem, I copy the video prompt and paste it here. This prompt is designed to be Veo3 compatible, no banned words, clear action descriptions, ending with no subtitles. Set duration to 5 seconds, aspect ratio 9:16. Generate, and here's the result. A smooth mirror selfie video. The girl holds her phone, tilts her head gently, then lowers the phone to reveal the full outfit. Warm lighting, pastel tones, perfect aesthetic mood. From just one product photo, I now have a beautiful image and a professional video, all created entirely by AI. So, just 3 simple steps. Gem generates the prompt, Nano Banana creates the image, Flow Veo3 creates the video. I've carefully optimized this gem system: 8 styles, auto detection, detailed prompts, and platform safe for all major AI video tools. If you're interested in this gem or want me to create custom prompts for your products, feel free to reach out. I offer both the gem and individual prompts at a very reasonable price. Contact info is in the description below. If this video was helpful, hit like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.